CONMED's AirSeal Robotic solution integrates AirSeal technology into a proprietary cap for the DaVinci cannulas. This solution allows robotic surgeons to operate with the benefits of AirSeal without requiring the need for an accessory port. Assembly of the AirSeal cannula cap onto the 8mm robotic cannula is easy. Use the obturator to align the components and then push the AirSeal cap downward onto the cannula until an audible click is heard. Next, place the filter housing of the bifurcated tri-lumen tube set into the receptacle of the AirSeal IFS and use the locking lever to secure in place. After achieving initial access with a veress needle, connect the clear lumen of the tube set. To initiate insufflation, press Start. Insert the robotic cannulas, placing the cannula with the AirSeal cannula cap last. When the cannula with the AirSeal cap is placed, be sure to keep the obturator in place until AirSeal is achieved. After all ports have been placed, remove the manifold plug from the purple end of the bifurcated tube set and connect it securely to the AirSeal cannula cap. Then, move the clear lumen of the bifurcated tube set to a non-optical port. Once the connection is made, AirSeal will start automatically. Allow 10 to 12 seconds for AirSeal to activate. Once AirSeal is active, the obturator can be removed. The instruments can now be loaded and the procedure can begin. Throughout the procedure, the system will actively insufflate through the clear lumen while evacuating smoke and maintaining the AirSeal pressure barrier through the AirSeal cannula cap. To end the procedure, remove all instruments and undock the robot before pressing stop on the AirSeal IFS. AirSeal will allow for passive desufflation of the patient. For more information, please refer to the instructions for use.